In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Google with a comprehensive Google Ads tutorial. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to successfully set up your advertising campaign, ensuring your message reaches the right audience at the right time. Let's start by heading over to Google Ads. You'll need to sign in using your Google account to get access to the platform. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find a prominent Create button. Click on it and then select Campaign. This is your starting point for setting up your advertisement. You have a choice now. You can opt for a goal-based setup, which is streamlined and often preferred by beginners, or you can switch to expert mode if you want more granular control over the settings. For those who value precision, choosing to create a campaign without goals guidance offers maximum flexibility and control. Now it's time to select your campaign type. For those interested in text ads appearing directly on Google, search is the ideal choice. It allows your ads to be seen alongside search results when users are actively looking for information related to your business or products. Next, you'll need to define your campaign's objective. What is it that you are aiming to achieve? Whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, having a clear objective is crucial to configuring your campaign correctly. After defining your objectives, make sure to enter your website's URL. This is where potential customers will be directed when they click on your ad. Following this, click Continue to proceed to the next steps. As you navigate through the setting pages, consider which goals you want to focus on during your campaign. You might want to concentrate on purchases, signups, or any other measurable action that aligns with your business needs. When naming your campaign, aim for clarity and descriptiveness. A well-named campaign can help you keep your ads organized and easily identifiable in future management. Click Agree and Continue to move forward. Now, it's important to turn your attention to bidding strategies. Decide what you want to emphasize, whether that be conversions, clicks, or another metric that aligns best with your campaign's goals. Targeting is key. Specify the geographic locations where your ads should appear and choose the languages spoken by your target audience to ensure your ads are relevant and accessible to the people you want to reach. To fine-tune who sees your ads, add detailed targeting information such as your final URL and relevant keywords. These should align closely with the searches your potential customers might perform. As you're nearing the completion of your campaign setup, it's crucial to set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend daily or monthly, ensuring it aligns with your advertising strategy and financial planning. Finally, submit your campaign for review. Google will assess your ads to ensure they meet all guidelines before they go live. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting your Google Ads campaign up and running effectively